Good evening, everyone. My name is Sandra Francois, and today we are celebrating Haitian Flag Day Festival in Tampa. In a few minutes, we're going to be interviewing a couple of people and seeing the various performers that they have lined up.
Haïti, maman, nous prenons toi. Papa, bon Dieu, où était notre désarroi? La vie avait bandou, en pile mounio, nous vivons d'où y aller, nous vivons d'où y aller, bien loin.
Regardez iVision. Vous regardez iVision. You are watching iVision TV.
Would you please introduce yourself?
My name is Andy Numa, and I'm a co-director of the Haitian American Alliance.
And I'm Fabien Louiset, co-director of the Haitian American Alliance.
And I understand that you guys have been doing this for 5 years now.
Yes, we have been. We started in 2004. This was a small event that we started at the local university, and we only had maybe, I think, 200 or 300 people that first year, and a shoestring budget, and it's really grown into really one of the major events.
Like this is benefiting the Haitian community.
Oh, actually, this is true. This is where you got all the Haitian in the Tampa Bay area, you know, trying to meet together, and then they can discuss about not only about the problem they encounter in this country, but also about Haiti right now, because we know our country is going down the crisis and everybody is suffering. You know, I hope all Haitians thinking about their country so they can send money and supplies and food for them at home.
Hi, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Benaja Samdi.
And what brings you to the 5th Annual Haitian Festival?
Well, I've been here, I think the first year it started I was here and it was fun, but this year I'm doing a great cause, I'm volunteering. And I'm just translating for the women getting their mammograms and checking up and just translating for them and their histories and all that stuff. So just doing good work out in the community. And I'm kind of glad I was here today because there was a Haitian woman that needed help more than just the checkup that she was doing. It actually turned out that she had something else wrong with her, and it went unnoticed. And because she didn't have any insurance, she was scared to go to the doctor. And there is a program here in Hillsborough that taxpayers pay for that she didn't know about. So we told her about it, and she's gonna go get the help that she needed. And it turned out that she was diabetic. She didn't even know it.
And you're watching iVisionTV.net at the 5th Annual Haitian Heritage Festival in Tampa. So far, you've seen a couple of interviews with the directors and some of the performances, and we're gonna go see some more in a minute.